Assalamu alaikum. Today you are going to learn history. First World War. The causes, course of war, and the effects of war. You'll be having a video where it explains. So watch it carefully.
World War One, when 1914 to 1918, where Europe, whom Central Powers, Germany, Austria, Italy, Allied Powers, England, France, Russia. Causes of World War One: militarism, alliances, imperialism, nationalism. Main: imperialism. 19th century Europe, Industrial Revolution in England, France, and Germany. Machines made large scale production of goods. Surplus goods needed search for markets outside Europe, Asia, and Africa. Race between England, France, and Germany to acquire colonies in Asia and Africa, which led to enmity and war in 1914. Nationalism. 19th century Europe, size of a nation is equal to status of that nation. Thus, European powers started territorial expansion. Aggressive nationalism resulted into enmity, hatred, and war in 1914. Example: France had two territories, Alsace and Lorraine, which was annexed by Germany in 1871. Militarism. 19th century Europe, powerful military is equal to powerful nation. Powerful army is needed for territorial expansion. Powerful navy needed to protect colonies. European nations raced to increase military strength, which led to enmity, hatred, and war in 1914. Alliances or diplomatic groupism. Allied powers, Central Powers. France, England, Russia, Germany, Italy, Austria. Phrygia. Central Power: Germany, Austria, Italy. 1871, Germany annexed Alsace and Lorraine, which was French territories. 1879, Germany and Austria formed dual alliance to isolate France. 1882, Italy joined Germany and Austria, thus formed Triple Alliance. Allied power: France, Russia, and England. Isolated France needed friend. Proposed friendship to Russia. 1894, Russia made an alliance with France. Unsatisfied France wants strong friend England. Kaiser William II, 1888, became Emperor of Germany, adopted aggressive colonizing policy, thus increased conflict with England. Allied power: France, Russia, England. Due to the aggressive behavior of Germany, 1904, England and France. 1907, England and Russia. Thus form Triple Entente. Division of Europe into two groups. The Balkan Crisis. These are Balkan territories. East European region, the Balkan, Turkish Empire. It had geographical importance and control over Mediterranean Sea, thus England, France, and Russia interfered into Balkan politics. Austria interested because of touching boundaries. 1908, political revolution started in Turkey to get independence. Taking advantage, Austria annexed Bosnia and Herzegovina, which angered Serbia. Immediate cause of the war: assassination of Austria's Crown Prince Archduke Francis Ferdinand, 28 June 1914, by Gavrilo Princip, an extremist Serbian, in Sarajevo, the capital city of Bosnia. Angered Austria declared war on Serbia on 20th July 1914, thus started World War I. Course of the war. 23rd July 1914, Austria gave an ultimatum to Serbia which was unacceptable conditions. Russia promised to give military help to Serbia, thus Serbia denied to accept Austria's condition. 28 July 1914, Austria declares war on Serbia. 29 July 1914, Russia mobilized its troops, fear of Austria's win and increase in prestige in Balkan region. Germany warned Russia to retreat troops in 12 hours. Russia did not heed to the warning. 2nd August 1914, Germany declared war on Russia. 3rd August 1914, Germany declared war on France as France decided to help Russia. Italy entered into the war in 1915 against Germany. This I explained in my next presentation, Dictatorship in Europe. 4th August 1914, England decided or declared war on Germany due to the aggressiveness of Germany. Entry of USA into the war. British blockade did not allow products to leave or enter Germany. German U-boat response, counter to blockade, destroy all boats headed for British shores. 7 May 1915, the German submarines targeted US passenger ship Lusitania, in which 128 Americans were killed. America warned Germany, but Germany did not heed to the warning. Thus, 6 April 1917, USA declared war on Germany. Ending of the war, 1917 to 1918. Russia exits the war. In March 1917, Nicholas II, ruler of Russia, abdicates his throne. The Russian Duma or parliament continues to fight. In October 1917, Lenin and the Bolsheviks take command, the Soviet Union is created. March 1918, Soviets and Germans sign the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk, ending the war in the East. America's entry into the war proved turning point which strengthened the Allied powers. Central powers crumble. Revolution in Austria-Hungary, Ottoman Empire surrenders, German soldiers mutiny, public turn against their ruler, Kaiser William II. 9 November 1918, Kaiser William abdicates the throne. At that time, new democratic government was established in Germany. This new government decided to surrender as per 14 points of American President Woodrow Wilson. 11 November 1918, First World War came to an end. Paris Peace Treaty was signed in 1919 to 1920. Many unjust sanctions were imposed on the defeated nations. Effects of the World War I. Huge damage and destruction of human life and property. 1 crore soldiers and 1 lakh civilians died. Most of the young generation died in the war, which affected the future life of Europe. Industries collapse, economic loss. Inflation, shortage of goods affected life of the people. Except America and Japan, all the countries face economic loss. Emergence of America as world power. End of royal rules in Russia, Germany, Austria and Turkey. Defeated nations were divided. Poland, Finland, Romania, Bulgaria, Czechoslovakia and Yugoslavia were formed. Creation of League of Nations in 1920. Treaty of Versailles was humiliating of defeated nations. Germany was considered responsible for war and had to pay huge indemnity. Treaty of Versailles sowed the seed of Second World War.
Hope you people have understood clearly all the 3 chapters, causes, cause and effects. So here is the timeline. Just note it down. First part of the lesson got completed. There are 2 more agendas which we'll be learning later. So complete your assignment and send your feedback. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah khair.